Woods here doing a video today showing how to remove the high lift jack from a Dominion Off-Road high lift jack mount kit. This is with the hardtop on. First thing you're going to do is take a 3/4 inch ratchet and just loosen these two fasteners. We're going to remove the nuts from both of the bolts on this side. And then we're going to leave those bolts in place. Now we'll switch to the other side. On this side, we are going to remove both the nut and bolt from the bracket. And without that, the jack will go ahead and just stay in place. Okay, now once both of those are removed, you can go ahead and just pull the jack out. So to install the jack back onto the brackets, I'll go ahead and start with one bolt in place, the lower one on the driver's side. I'll place the passenger side right up on top. And then insert the upper bolt. Then I'll go ahead and bolt up the passenger side. And install both of the nuts on the driver's side, and be sure to always use a wrench to tighten up those bolts. That's all there is to it.